nice, Lee. Gustavo is coming in. Oh boy, beauty. That's the way he does it all the time in Buenos Aires. Bruce Harlow.
Take your time. That was a nice
Martin.
save.
Gary Parker. Team scale. Please Patel ready to go up. Spacewalker. Very nice. Yeah. Bruce Bender. Down and dirty flyby or? Yeah, down. Okay, Shalish is into place. Mel Santmeyers, Stints Reliant. Uh-oh, Mel's gonna try that over again. Okay, Bruce Bender is coming in. Uh-oh, something happened. Gust of wind or something. Al Kretz. Mel Santmeyers. Okay, the T-33 is coming in. Shalish Patel. Very nice, Shalish. Brakes. Look at those brakes. Shalish is from Eureka, California. Overshoot for Mel Sant. Mel Santmeyers coming in. Nice one, Mel. Robert is in the air. Flyby for Bob Patton from Illinois. Piper Tomahawk. Here goes Putt Putt Maru. Gear up. John Cole, team scale. Ernie Harwood's in the air. John Cole just landed. Okay, the P-38 is turning base. Continue around to final for his approach. Okay, Ernie Harwood is touching down. Whoops. Hey, Darrell Rolla is in position with his Sea Fury 4.2 engine. Gear up. Gary Parker is on his way home. This will be Gary's, I think, his third flight for the weekend. Uh-oh, there he's down. Transmitter impound.
No, everybody has.
Hey, here's all the aircraft. We're going to walk right down the line. B-25, Sea Fury, R-4D, DC-3, P-38, and we got that beautiful Piper Jim Hiller's. Got a nice looking Coupe. And we got that famous spacewalker from Brazil, Ernie Harwood's Aviatic. Another Piper. Randy Smithheiser. Focke-Wulf 190. Eindecker. Martin TT. And we got a Newport 17. And a Fokker D7. And the John Cole's Brandenburg, that's it. Junkers of Joe Toppers. 1.5 Strutter from Larry Shepard. And the T-28. Piper Tomahawk. DR-1. Shailesh Patel's F-86. Randy Tiger Moth, another Spacewalker. Fleisler Storch. SC-5. Newport 28. Douglas Dauntless. TBM. We got a nice Corsair here. And we got marketing director's beautiful legs there. Dennis Meyer.
Get back out of the way, Dennis.
Scale Masters marketing director from Portland. Okay. And we got the Tony. And we got the Cap. And the Tony. P-47. And the Oracle. Bob Francis. Morrissey Bravo. P-47. Got another, we had 2 Focke-Wulfs here. De Havilland DH-10. And a helicopter. A twin Mentor, I guess, or the Turbo Mentor. Another Corsair. And Mel Santmeyer Stinson.
Just gorgeous.
And another Sea Fury. And a Tiger, de Havilland, yes sir. Released our chairman Earl on his Night Fighter Corsair.
Please, we'd like to have them all picked up and sold, or excuse me, paid for by the end of the day.
We got the airplanes out on the center line. Spectators are giving them the once-over. This is one of the best Scale Masters championships we've ever had in Arizona. Jeremy Firstman, our reigning champion, is coming in. Okay, and that's why he's our reigning champion. Overshoot. Newport 28. Jay Stewart. Eddie Newman taxiing out for his second flight on Saturday. Kawasaki Tony. Here comes Eddie. Gear up, Ed. Dirty flyby for Eddie Newman. Dave Kephart taxiing out. Well, he doesn't mess around. Dave Kephart's from. Like Dave's going into his. Hey, Larry Shepard is taxiing out for his second flight on Saturday. 1.5 Strutter. Larry has a laser 74 stroke in that aircraft. Very nice takeoff.
Aircraft called a Sopwith. 1 1/2 destroyer. Larry Shepard of the Paradise House.
Hey, Larry's flyby looks good. Eddie Newman is coming in. Nice one, Ed. He's down. Okay, Dave Kephart is coming in. Not too slow, Dave. Very nice. He's down. Bob Fry coming in with his P-40. Excellent, excellent. Excellent landing. Okay, that's an overshoot for... Okay, this might be a touch and go. Okay, Larry Shepard is down. Okay. There goes Kent Walters. Raymond Torres, Beechcraft Baron.